Welcome to the FA Auto Reviews. The 2025 Kenworth T2700 Motorhome is a powerhouse on wheels, blending commercial truck durability with the luxury of a high-end motorhome. Right away, the first thing that catches your eye is the bold, commanding front design. The signature Kenworth grille, flanked by advanced LED headlights, gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of strength and refinement. Under the hood, the T2700 is equipped with a Packard PX9 engine, delivering up to 380 horsepower with seamless torque. Whether you're tackling steep mountain roads or cruising highways, the power feels effortless. Paired with the Allison automatic transmission, shifting is smooth and responsive, making long drives feel less taxing and more enjoyable inside. The cabin is where Kenworth's commercial roots meet luxury. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, with a customizable display offering real-time vehicle data, GPS navigation, and smart diagnostics. Comfort is enhanced with ergonomic seats, premium materials, and effective noise insulation that keeps the ride quiet despite the vehicle's sheer size. The living quarters redefine motorhome luxury. Expansive slide-outs create a spacious interior that feels more like a modern apartment. High-quality finishes, from hardwood cabinetry to leather seating, showcase craftsmanship at every corner. The kitchen is fully equipped with residential-grade appliances, solid countertops, and plenty of storage. The bathroom feels upscale, with a full-size shower, modern fixtures, and elegant lighting. What really stands out is the T2700's smart integration. The entire motorhome is connected through a centralized control system accessible via touchscreen or smartphone app. You can monitor water levels, battery status, climate control, and even entertainment systems all from one interface. This makes managing your home on wheels incredibly convenient. On the road, the T2700 offers stability thanks to its air suspension system, which adjusts to road conditions and maintains ride comfort. The advanced safety suite includes lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind while navigating tight spots or busy highways. In terms of storage and utility, the exterior compartments are spacious and thoughtfully laid out, perfect for extended trips. The onboard generator, solar power capability, and large fuel and water tanks allow for off-grid adventures without compromising comfort. The 2025 Kenworth T2700 Motorhome is built for those who want the best of both worlds: the ruggedness of a commercial truck and the comfort of a luxury motorhome. It's perfect for full-time RVers, long-haul explorers, or anyone seeking a premium experience on the road. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.